Hello everyone, welcome to our next exercise in which we will control the brightness of a LED. Okay, and to vary the brightness of the LED you'll need a PWM pins, and Arduino Uno provides you 6 PWM pins in which I have connected my LEDs to pin number 6, which is PWM pin, to pin number 9, which is also a PWM pin, and to pin number 12, which is not a PWM pin. Okay, so in this exercise we are going to vary the brightness of these two LEDs which are connected to PWM pins of my Arduino board. Okay, so for that you need an analog input. So just go to your front panel, just right click on it, go to numeric and select dial, which will provide you the analog input, and just rename it to POL. Okay, okay. Now your digital output card is of 8-bit and it will accept only 8-bit data, which is of 255 bits. Okay, if you do the 2 raised to power 8, it will give rise you 256 bits. Alright, so and our range is, the potentiometer range is 0 to 10. Okay, here you can see the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 10. So here I am going to change the value. My minimum value would be 0 and maximum value would be 255. Okay, so which would be enough to adjust the brightness of this LED. Okay, so let me increase its size, potentiometer. Alright, and also it's okay, and also you'll need two LEDs. Here's my boolean and my round LED. First let's increase its size also, that will be enough. Okay, now let's rename it to pin number 6, which is my PWM pin, and I think we should also change its color. Okay, go to properties, just right click on, go to properties and go to appearance. During on you want to show it a dark red color, and during off state you want to show it as red color. Okay, now here, do you think by selecting this boolean you can adjust the brightness of this LED in virtual also? No, because you have selected boolean. Okay, and boolean takes only two values, either 0 or either 1. Okay, so to adjust the brightness, which means we need analog result, so we will not select boolean. Okay, so if you want to display all the brightness of LED virtually, then you have to select the progress bar of LED. Okay, it ranges to 0 to 100, and you can adjust its scale to 0 to 55. Alright, and if you want to change its color, then right click on it, go to properties, go to appearance, change its color to red, dark red, let's say. Alright, so here you can see that's it. It was my front panel. Now let's do its programming. Just go back to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Okay, now first of all you need to create a loop. Here is my loop. First of all, apply its control to stop the execution of your loop. Okay, let's increase its size also to 36. Okay, that's perfect. Now again go back to your block diagram and just right click on it, go to Arduino and select Arduino initialization. Okay, now let me adjust it. Now go for visa resource, just right click on it, create control. It will select your COM port. Okay, now first thing you need to do to declare these pins. Okay, you have selected two pins. Let's say pin number 6 and pin number 9. Alright, okay, so here's my COM port. Let me adjust it also. It's okay. Let's resize it to 36. Alright, okay. Now my pin number 6 and pin number 9 are my output pins. So just right click and go to Arduino and low level and set digital input output pin. Alright, now first of all connect your Arduino resource, then error in. Okay, first of all define your pin, and I think my first pin is pin number 6. Okay, and its pin mode is output. Alright, okay, that's it. Now you need to declare pin number 9. So just copy and paste the above function, input output function. So first of all connect your Arduino resource, which will provide you the communication parameters. Alright, here's my pin number 9 and it will declare as an output. So that's it. Okay, now you need to write the pin. Alright, so for that, here you need to vary the brightness by this part. It means you need to write the values. Alright, so just right click on it, go to Arduino, select low level and select PWM write pin. Okay, so first of all connect your Arduino resource, then error out. Now here you can see you'll need 0 to 255 duty cycle. Alright, so connect this duty cycle to this potentiometer. Alright, here you'll need the PWM pin. Okay, and I think pin number 6. So let's write pin number 6. Okay, now you need another function for pin number 9. So just right click on it. Okay, Arduino resource, error in 0 to 255 duty cycle, disconnect it with port, and here you'll declare your PWM pin. This is pin number 9. Okay, so by doing this it will only vary your brightness in real. Alright, in real means in real time means these LEDs. If you want to vary the brightness, I mean if you want to show also in virtual, that means like this. Okay, if my potentiometer is at 0, then my brightness should be at 0. If I gradually move the potentiometer, then my brightness should also vary. Okay, in virtually, then just simply connect this bias with this potentiometer that you have selected. Okay, now you need to close the program. For that, go to Arduino and go to Arduino close section, just right click on Arduino resource and error out. Alright, so that was it. Now connect your Arduino first, my Arduino board. So I connected my Arduino, just ignore it for time being. Search for your COM port is COM3. Alright, now just click run button. Alright, so it's my pin number 12. Alright, just ignore this LED. Now here my potentiometer is at 0. Now if I slowly rotate my potentiometer, you can see my LEDs are glowing, and in virtual also. Here's the full brightness of my LED and here goes my LED 10. Okay, so in the same way you can also vary the speed of your DC motor. Alright, so now let's do our next exercise to vary the speed of DC motor. Alright, so before it, let's hit the stop button. Okay,